Ever wondered how detailed a CNC machine can get? In this video, we use a specialized non-ferrous CNC milling machine and a 0.4mm ball nose micro end mill to engrave a bronze relief of Nikola Tesla's face. From roughing to micro detailing, every step showcases the precision, power, and patience required to create metal art at this level. Watch as layers of bronze are transformed into intricate textures and facial details, all with a tool thinner than a needle. Precision begins here, with a block of bronze and a 0.4mm micro end mill. We start by roughing out Tesla's silhouette, removing bulk material with a standard end mill. Next, the magic begins. A 0.4mm ball nose cutter steps in to define the fine details. Pass after pass, the portrait emerges, from cheekbones to wrinkles, each feature shaped with micron precision. The bronze surface responds like canvas, every movement of the tool carving texture and depth. What began as raw metal now honors the face of a genius, crafted not by hand, but by technology and time. This is CNC micromilling, where engineering becomes art.